Buongiorno, cocktail enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the world of Italian mixology with a true classic, the Italian Martini. But hold on, because we'll be revealing some intriguing unknown facts about this iconic cocktail. Let's get started. Fact number 1, the Italian Martini, often known as the dry martini, is a timeless and elegant cocktail that originated in the late 19th century. While its exact origins are debated, Italy played a significant role in popularizing this sophisticated drink, which consists of gin and dry vermouth. Fact number 2, contrary to popular belief, the term dry in the Italian martini does not refer to the absence of sweetness but instead signifies the ratio of gin to vermouth. Traditionally, a dry martini has a higher proportion of gin, resulting in a crisper and more aromatic cocktail. Fact number 3, the Italian Martini has an aura of mystery and has been associated with famous figures such as James Bond. However, it's worth noting that the drink's origins predate its association with the iconic spy. Its timeless appeal and sophisticated reputation have made it a symbol of refined taste and elegance in the world of cocktails. Fact number 4, the Italian Martini is a versatile cocktail that allows for customization and personalization. From a twist of lemon peel to the addition of olives or even a touch of bitters, mixologists and enthusiasts have explored various ways to add their own unique twist to this classic drink. That's a wrap, friends. We hope you enjoyed uncovering these intriguing unknown facts about the Italian Martini. Whether you prefer it dry or with your own personal touch, this timeless cocktail continues to captivate cocktail aficionados worldwide. Share with us in the comments below your favorite martini variations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow cocktail enthusiasts. Until next time, cheers with a classic Italian martini.